Okay, hello dear friends, welcome to Haiying's Farmer's Market stand. So I have my drained yogurt. This is a half drained, half fresh yogurt. Gosh, why not? Having a little bit more. And blackberry. And blackberry I made into jam. Now we are going to eat it. We make sure the spoon is dry and clean. Okay, that is... You did not see the secret, right? Swirl, swirl. Isn't it pretty? Oh, look at the marbling. Enjoy. That is so very good. The marbling of it. Oh, it's too good. I feel bad because it's so good. Bon appetito. You can completely blend it or you want to. Sometimes you want it not totally blend and you will eat. Some place is the fresh cream. Fresh creamy yogurt. And some places is this sour, sweet blackberry fruity jam. Ah, perfect. This is a perfect combination. Bon appetito!